Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Brookstone Big Blue Party X. Now this is an indoor-outdoor wireless speaker. Now you can buy this from Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $230. Now it comes in 3 colors. You got black, blue, and gold. Now on a side note, I got the original Big Blue Party, and to this day, that's still one of my favorite Bluetooth speakers. But with the Big Blue Party X, Brookstone is claiming that it's 40% louder. Now look, I know all about marketing, I understand gimmicks, but to claim that a product is 40% louder than the previous version, we're gonna have to put that to the test. All right, so let's check this out. Beautiful presentation, comes in a big box with a handle. Now this is extra loud, 360-degree sound, cordless and rechargeable, weatherproof, Bluetooth streaming. All right, so let's go through the features real quick. Wireless. Pair with Bluetooth-enabled devices or simply touch NFC devices for instant wireless pairing. Water resistant for pool, deck, or beach. Now you can't submerge this, but it's good for splash and spills. Rich sound. 4 full-range speaker drivers for powerful omni-directional sound. Big bass. Subwoofer and passive radiator delivers huge bass. Customized, top-mounted bass, treble, and volume controls. Portable, easy grip carry handle to take your music anywhere. Rechargeable, battery lasts up to 9 hours on a single charge. Now, 9 hours, that's 50% volume. If you're rocking this at max volume, you're getting 2.5 hours. And if y'all know anything about me, max volume alert. All right, so let's pop this open and see what you get inside. All right, here we go. First, get your usual books and shit, plug them and file them. This is going to be your power cable, proprietary style, your plug, and now for the speaker. Now I went with the black version. Right. Check this out. Now, it looks very similar to last year's, or 2 years ago's Brookstone Big Blue Party, but the black just looks 10 times better, and I'll compare it with the old one. On the top, you got your mode button. Now, this is how you're going to switch between bass, treble, and volume. You also got volume up and down. On the front, here's your power button. This does light up. You got some Brookstone branding. On the side, you got these 2 little squares. These light up also. On the top, here's your NFC tag. On the back, this is your button right here. Now, when you press this button, I'll show you how that works. That's how you check your battery life. On one, under this, now this is your flap right here. It is water resistant. So you open the flap, there's your auxiliary in. The bottom, there's your power slot. That's where you plug it in. On the bottom, now you got these 4 rubber stoppers. That's another nice little new touch. And here's your light button. This controls the lights. All right, so let's power this on and see if we got any juice. Otherwise, we got to plug it in and see for a second. All right, there it goes. We got a little juice. Now, you see the front lights up. Those 2 little squares on the side light up. And if you want to turn that off, hit that button on the bottom. That turns your lights off and on. Now, personally, I would say leave the lights on, but you do what you do. All right, now, before we do a little sound test, let me grab the old version, and we'll see how that looks together. All right, so here's a side-by-side with both Big Blue Parties. Now, last year's version, you got the chrome on the top. Now, if you use this all the time and it gets wet and it gets beat up, you see a little bit of wear and tear. So I'm definitely feeling the matte black finish on this one. Other than that, same height, same weight, same build, same button placement. Everything is basically the same, but the Big Blue Party X is supposed to be 40% louder, so let's test it out. All right, real quick. Now, the pairing process on this is real simple. You just hold down the power button. This ring is going to start flashing. Go to your Bluetooth menu, pair it right up. Now, let me show you how the buttons work. Or you can use NFC. Now, if you hit the mode button, you see we're on volume. So that's volume up, volume down. Hit mode again. Now it's on treble. So we'll put maximum treble. Hit the mode button again. That's your bass. We'll leave it on maximum treble and maximum bass. Now let's do a little sound test. All right, so let's take it over to Bike Life. We'll start off with 50% volume, then we'll push it all the way up to max. Let's go. All right, let's get max volume. All right, so I gotta be honest with y'all. I am definitely feeling this speaker. The sound is incredible. This is easily gonna be one of my summertime speakers. I'm feeling the 360-degree sound. This is a major, major, major go. But is it 40% louder than the original Big Blue Party? Let's find out. All right, so here we go. Battle of the Big Blue Parties. Now, both of these are on the same exact settings, max bass, max treble, and we're gonna play them at max volume. So let's start off with the original Big Blue Party. All right, now for the Big Blue Party X. All right, shout out to Brookstone. They wasn't lying. The Big Blue Party X is way louder than the original Big Blue. I'm feeling this speaker. I'm sitting right here now. Trust me, the mic ain't gonna do this justice, but the Big Blue Party X, I wouldn't say twice as loud, but it's way louder. It has more bass, and it's more of a room-feeling sound. So overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Big Blue Party X is a major, major, major go. This is definitely going to be one of my new summertime speakers. You got your volume, bass, and treble controls on the top. It lights up. It's splash and water resistant. 9 hours worth of playing time on regular volume. 2.5 hours on max volume. What more can I say? Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready, no meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.